Massachusetts weather can shift fast, from nor'easter snow and ice to heavy spring rains, humid summers, and windy fall days. And each season changes how safe, fast, and smooth your move will be. In this video, you'll learn the biggest weather challenges and the simple steps that keep your belongings and your plans safe. Winter moves in Massachusetts come with slippery walkways, limited daylight, and unpredictable storms. Ice slows loading, increases fall risk, and makes maneuvering a truck difficult. To stay safe, clear walkways early, use ice melt, create dry paths, and protect sensitive items from cold and moisture. Spring showers bring wet boxes, muddy floors, and higher risk of water damage. Rain limits outdoor staging and forces more movement inside the house. Use waterproof containers, shrink-wrap furniture, lay down protective floor runners, and keep electronics sealed until inside the truck. In summer, high heat and humidity can damage wood, warp furniture, and exhaust crews faster. Schedule moves early morning or late afternoon. Keep items shaded, hydrate everyone, and use breathable wraps to avoid trapping moisture. Sensitive items may need climate-controlled storage. Fall is the best season for moving in Massachusetts. Cooler temperatures, low humidity, and lower demand after the September surge. But around September 1st, Boston's moving day creates major congestion, tight parking, and limited truck availability. If you must move then, book early and secure your parking permits. Otherwise, choose mid-September or October for the easiest move of the year. No matter the season, you can move confidently with a weather-ready plan. Better Life Moving provides trained crews, waterproof packing, covered loading, and climate-controlled storage, all designed for Massachusetts weather. If you want a safe, efficient, and weatherproof move, contact Better Life Moving today.